Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a really fun haul for you. I love filming hauls. I know that you guys love watching them, so today that is what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be showing you the lovely things that I got from the brand called Cherryz. They are a website and app that sell bargain items, so it's basically like Home Bargains and B&M Home Store, but in an app. So it's super convenient, especially at the moment when we can't get out. I love going around B&M looking at like the pretty candles and the sweeties and the home things, and I haven't been able to do that recently, obviously, so it's super convenient having this app available. The people at Cherryz very kindly sent me a voucher to spend on the app and show you guys what kind of things you can get. So I got a lot of really great stuff and I'm excited to show you, but before I get started I just thought I would let you know that I will be popping the link to the app right at the top of the description box down below, because I really recommend using the app. It's super quick and convenient to use, and it's also really nice and bright and pretty, and I love it. And you can also use the discount code AlohaAmy20 to receive 20% off your first order on the app, so that's even better. So I highly recommend using my discount code if you want to get a little bit of money off. Most of the items are pretty much about £1 anyway. I think the most things were like between like £1 and £5, so it's amazing. You get so much for your money and it's super convenient, not having to even leave your house, but you get a big box of goodies sent to your house. I really enjoyed sitting, going through the app and picking all this fun stuff, and so did my mum, so we had fun doing that and I'm excited to show you. Last night I got a bit bored and decided I'd dye my hair pink. I don't really know why, I just kind of felt like it. It just kind of happened. I actually really like it. I think it looks quite cute. So that happened. Okay, so firstly I'm going to start off with the baking items that I got, because I love baking, especially spending more time at home at the moment. I have been really having fun baking. I find it really therapeutic and relaxing. So I got a couple of molds for cakes. So the first one I got is this gorgeous pink heart-shaped mold. So it's like, this is my colour, so it matches all my baking stuff and it's in the shape of a heart, and I just think that's so cute. I think I might make like a giant love heart cake, like decorate it with icing and make it look like a giant love heart sweetie. I think that would be super cute. And silicone molds are really great because you can just pop your cake out. It's so much easier than using like the metal molds. And then the same, I got a loaf tin which is silicone as well. It's the same colour, so it's very pretty. I really like making loaves, and this one will be super easy again because you can just pop it out. So then I got some cupcake papers. I saw these really pretty pastel blue polka dot cupcake papers and I just thought these were so adorable. They're quite big, so they're going to make huge cupcakes, and I think these are very perfect for Easter and springtime. They're really sweet and I like them. I love making cupcakes, so I'm excited to use them. And then I also got some little yellow cupcake papers which look like little chicks, so they have little bits to wrap around them, and they've even got little feet that you can stick on and make the cupcakes look like little chicks for Easter time, which I think is adorable. My mum and I are planning on having a little Easter party in our house just with my family that live here. We always have a little Easter party anyway, so we figured why not just do it with the 4 of us and set up all our pretty napkins and Easter decorations and make our favourite Easter baking. So that's why I picked up some of the Easter things. I also got some pretty Easter confetti for our tables. So it's lovely pastel colours, and we've got Happy Easter, little chicks, little bunnies, and then little Easter eggs, which are so cute, and I just love the colours of these. They're very pretty. And then finally for Easter I got this adorable little cupcake stand. So it looks like this, and on the Cherryz app they had a chick stand and a bunny stand, and I went with the little pink and white bunny because it's just adorable, and this will look so pretty with my pretty pastel cupcakes on as well. And I just thought that was so sweet, and it was only like £1, so I think literally all of these things were like £1 each, so it's amazing. Just to show you the Cherryz app here, to show you all the different sections they have. They've got a Easter section, garden, household, health and personal care, food and drink, beauty, pets, kitchen and dining, home, stationery and craft, toys and games, electronics, baby clothes and accessories, party, seasonal and bundle deals. It's so good, and I went through everything and got quite a lot of bits from different sections. So onto the kind of health and beauty bits. So I picked up a whole load of face masks because if you've seen my previous video, you know I'm all about pampering in general, but especially at the moment I'm using my time wisely and using a lot of face masks. So I picked up 4 face masks, and I got these ones, which I actually really like these face masks. So I got the tea tree peel off one, and I got 2 of them, and then I got 2 of the passion peel off masks. These are my favourite ones from this kind of Seventh Heaven brand, because I've tried quite a lot of these, and these are definitely my favourites. I'm going to share these with my mum, and I think that'll be really fun for us to have fun pamper nights. And they are really great masks anyway, and they're the really satisfying peel off ones. They always peel off in one go, which I love. That's really satisfying. So next up I picked up this Colgate Max White toothpaste. Seems kind of random, but I'm all about having white teeth. I needed a new toothpaste, and my friend recommended this one to me, and her teeth look really white, so I trust her. And this one was literally just £1, and I think it's normally a lot more expensive than that, so I thought I would give that a go. Then I picked up a Vaseline cocoa butter because I have the blue Vaseline tin, which I put like on all areas of my body. Like if I've got dry skin on my elbows or my hands or whatever, I use the Vaseline, but I thought this one was quite nice because I quite like the flavour of this one. And at the moment, being indoors, our skin gets so dry, and especially I've noticed my lips are getting really dry, so I thought there's no harm in having another Vaseline because it's just like the best thing. I find it's just the thing that works the best for me. So I also picked up a little deodorant. This is a little roll-on one from Dove, and it is the Go Fresh Pomegranate and Lemon Verbena scent. This is the scent that I've used for years and years. I really like it, it smells great, and I like to use either the spray or the roll-on. I'm not fussed, but it's just a really nice scent, and it's pink as well. And then the final kind of beauty thing that I got was one of these little brush cleaners, and I've been meaning to pick one of these up for the longest time. It's just the thing that you pop on your hand and then clean your makeup brushes, and it stops your hands getting dry, because I feel like when I'm washing my makeup brushes, I've got a lot of brushes and I don't want to chip my nails by running my hand under the tap for ages, so I thought I'd pick one of these up and try it, and it's pink, so I thought that's quite good. I also feel like it's quite clean because it's silicone, so it's not going to harbour bacteria. So on the home section of the app, I found some really lovely things. I got a candle, and I'm not going to lie, like I have a full like cupboard full of candles because I'm that obsessed. I really like going to like Home Bargains and things and just buying a whole load of candles that I absolutely don't need but I do use. I love burning a candle in my bedroom whenever I'm in there. It just makes me really happy. So I got this gorgeous one. I really forked out. This cost me £3 whole, which honestly for a massive candle, such a good deal. And this is the Blushing Bellini scented, and look how big this candle is. Like it's huge, but it smells really good, and it is pretty pink colour, so it'll look lovely in my bedroom. It does smell kind of alcohol-y, which I love, and it just looks really pretty, so I thought that was such a good find. And then I also picked up a couple of Reef Diffusers because I love having them around my house and around my bedroom, and I couldn't resist these scents, so I got the Drumstick Squashies one. So it's basically like a raspberry Reef Diffuser, which is so good. I love drumsticks, and I thought this just looked really cool. It's also a really pretty little bottle as well, so I thought that was fun. And then I also picked up the Love Hearts one, which I'm super excited about. Love the smell of Love Hearts. I love the taste of Love Hearts. They're just such good little sweets. And I have the hand sanitizer that's the Love Hearts scent, and I've tried like the hand soap as well, and it's so good, so I can't wait to put this Reef Diffuser up. I think it'll be amazing. Such gorgeous pretty packaging, I love it. And the final part of this haul, I promise I will be sharing this with my family and also giving some to my friends. I bought quite a few sweeties because I just couldn't resist. They had such good choice of sweeties on this app, so I went a bit mad and got a few packets of sweets, so here goes. Firstly, I got some eclairs because these are my brother's favourites, and I thought I would give them to him. I got some Haribos because I'm obsessed with Haribos. I love them. also love jelly babies, so we got them. I got drumstick squashies because these are so good. I got Haribo Straws. These are probably like one of my favourite sweeties ever. They're so good. So I got them, and then I got a couple of bars of chocolate as well. I got the Smarties chocolate, so it's a big shading block and it's Nestle chocolate with Smarties through, so I thought that sounded really good. And then finally, this is my mum's favourite, and it is the massive bar of dairy milk with dime pieces through it, and that's one of her favourites, so I thought my mum would love that, and I love it too, so I thought that that would be lovely. And that is a lot of sweeties, but I promise I'm going to share them. So that is everything that I got on the Cherryz app. I'm really appreciative of Cherryz for sending me a voucher to get all of this amazing stuff. It was so lovely to receive a big box of goodies at the moment. It made me really happy. And if you guys are interested in shopping on Cherryz, then please do use that link down below, and don't forget to use my discount code. I really hope that you guys have fun shopping on the app like I did. It's a really fun thing to do at the moment and receive a big box of fun things like that, and I really hope that this video was fun for you guys and you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Cherryz for sending me this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!